Scania S650. The NL exclusive line motorhome Scania S652 slide-out is a luxurious motorhome built on a Scania S650 chassis. It is one of the most exclusive motorhomes on the market. The S650 is powered by a 16.4-liter V8 engine that produces 730 horsepower and 3,000 lb-ft of torque. Spacious rear garage for storing vehicles or other equipment. It is mated to a 12-speed automatic transmission. The motorhome has a gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, of 50,000 pounds. The interior is appointed with high-end materials such as leather, wood, and marble. The motorhome has a full kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, and a bedroom with a king-size bed. The S650 is equipped with 2 slide-outs, which expand the living space to 450 square feet. Pebble Flow. The Pebble Flow is a truly innovative electric RV that promises a hassle-free and sustainable way to travel and explore. Powered by a 45 kilowatt-hours LFP battery, the Pebble Flow eliminates the need for gas or propane, making it environmentally friendly and quieter than traditional RVs. The Pebble Flow features a magic hitch that automatically senses and connects to your tow vehicle, and a remote control system that allows you to maneuver it without physically being behind the wheel. With features like automatic leveling stabilizers, stairs, awning, thermostat, and lights, setting up camp is a breeze. Panoramic windows offer a 270-degree view, creating a spacious and connected feeling with the outdoors. The Pebble Flow can be charged at home, at campgrounds, via public EV stations, and even self-charges through a 1 kilowatt integrated solar panel system. With its large battery and solar panel, the Pebble Flow can power itself off-grid for up to 7 days. The MORELO Grand Empire is truly a sight to behold, reigning supreme in the luxury motorhome category. Measuring up to 12 meters long and 4 meters high, the Grand Empire exudes grandeur and spaciousness. The iconic MORELO design language shines through, featuring sleek lines and a modern aesthetic. Premium materials, high-quality aluminum and GFK construction ensure durability and a sophisticated look. Step inside to a world of luxury, where exquisite materials, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled comfort come together seamlessly. The generous 12-meter length translates to ample space for a dedicated living area, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Flexible layouts, choose from various floor plans with different sleeping and bathroom configurations to match your specific needs and preferences. Built on the robust Mercedes-Benz Actros 1853 chassis, it boasts a powerful engine and top-of-the-line safety features. Boasts 4 massive slide-outs, a 7-meter awning, and a huge rear car garage. Electric House CES 2024. CES 2024, Pininfarina, the renowned Italian design house, in collaboration with AC Future, unveiled the ETH electric transformer house. This innovative mobile living space, developed in partnership with AC Future, is more than an RV. It offers a sustainable living platform that provides an extraordinary travel and living experience with various expandable structures tailored to individual living habits and preferences. The ETH features movable walls that expand to 400 square feet, a retractable solar panel roof that generates over 25 kilowatt-hours, an atmospheric water generator system that produces up to 50 L of clean water daily from air moisture, and collapsible and modular furniture. The ETH can function as both an accessory dwelling unit, ADU, and a moving office, equipped with advanced cockpit features, including cutting-edge driver assist technology, a flexible dashboard, office desk, and integrated entertainment. Luxury RR6. The Luxury RR6, designed by Rolofson Horse Trucks, is a premium horse truck capable of transporting 6 horses. The truck is equipped with a spacious living room that is fully furnished, featuring a pop-out for a more spacious living area, luxuriously furnished with a kitchen featuring cooktops, a refrigerator, and a dishwasher. The horses also travel comfortably and safely with a special rubber floor construction, designed partitions, and heated blanket racks. Additional features include a ventilation system with temperature registration, heated blanket racks, bendable design partitions, rotatable head separations, half-dropping windows, manually operated roof hatches, a water reel, and tack trunks with a lift system. 4Winds 28Z. The 2024 4Winds 28Z is a Class C motorhome by Thor Motor Coach, perfect for family vacations or a weekend getaway. It features a walk-around queen bed, mid-coach entry, a 68-inch jackknife sofa, a cab-over bunk, and a USB charging center. The 28Z is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen dash radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a backup monitor, and an 8,000-pound hitch. The living area expands to 400 square feet, and the kitchen includes a combination microwave and a large refrigerator with a freezer. The bathroom is equipped with a sink, shower, and toilet. The RV also features an exterior mega storage compartment and an exterior kitchen with a griddle and a 12-volt cooler on a slide-out tray. Built on a reliable Ford E-Series chassis, with some floor plans offering an optional Chevrolet chassis, select models also feature the SmoothTech Ride Enhancement System. ioCamper truck. The ioCamper truck is a unique, expandable RV body that can be attached to any dual cab pickup in just 15 minutes. Constructed from the latest fiberglass reinforced PE material with high-density insulation materials, it is completely waterproof and windproof. It includes a double bed, 2 single beds with memory foam mattresses, a dining table, a kitchen with a hot plate, sink, and refrigerator with freezer, large storage compartments, and a bathroom with a sink, shower, fresh water tank, cabinets, and a mobile toilet. Additional features include a lockable entrance door, roof ventilation, double glazed windows, blackout and insect nets for all doors and windows, 12V and 230V mains, USB sockets, LED lighting system, 12V battery, mounting elements, folding stairs, and adjustable leveling legs. Mars15 Premium. The Mars15 Premium is a 15-feet family pop-top hybrid caravan by Mars Campers, perfect for off-road adventures with the family. It can accommodate 2 adults and 2 kids, featuring a double bed, 2 single beds with memory foam mattresses, a dining table, a kitchen with a hot plate, sink, and an 85L refrigerator with freezer. The caravan also includes large storage compartments and a bathroom with a sink, shower, a 50L fresh water tank, cabinets, and a mobile toilet. Additional features include a lockable entrance door, roof ventilation, double glazed windows, blackout and insect nets for all doors and windows, 12V and 230V mains, USB sockets, LED lighting system, 12V battery, mounting elements, folding stairs, and adjustable leveling legs. Truck Surf Hotel. The Truck Surf Hotel is a unique concept that combines the adventure of a surf trip with the comfort of a hotel. Built onto a Mercedes Actros truck chassis, this 2-story, 5-room bed and breakfast hotel serves the surfing community by following the waves along the coasts of Portugal and Morocco. The hotel expands upwards and outwards once parked, offering surfers front-row accommodation to some of the best surf spots. The idea was conceived by surfers Daniela Carneiro and Eduardo Ribeiro in 2016 as a way to make their lifestyle more accessible to others. They purchased the truck in the Netherlands, shipped it to Portugal, and began construction of the hotel, which was completed in July 2017.